There is a trend you definitely don't want to miss this season. Then it's a pleated skirt. Pleats do not ever seem to go out of style. It is a 90s trend but worth trying out this year. The good thing is that you have so many choices of how you can wear them. Depending on your vibe, a monochromatic pleated mini look great when styled with different options and jackets layered over. It can also act as a fashionable fix in the winter by throwing over a sweater and some knee-high boots for those hurried days. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make high-waist mini pleated skirt by DIY your own pleated fabric. Let's get started. And here we are, a very homemade mini pleated skirt. If you have been follow along and you decide to make this skirt, please feel free to tag me on my Instagram. I'm just at Peggy. I would love to see your version of this skirt. Well, thanks so much for sticking with me and watch all the way till the end. I genuinely hope that you enjoy it and feel free to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!